Hey, Will, my friends. What a beautiful Thursday it is today, guys. I hope you guys are blessed with a great life because you create it. You guys create your blessed life. Whatever you want, whatever you guys have in your heart, you will manifest it. You will bring it into reality. Not because I say so, because the universe has brought that vision, that feeling, that love inside you of what the universe knows you are all about. And that's the beauty part of living this amazing life that we do, guys. And remember this, guys. If you don't ask, you don't know the answer. If you need something and you're afraid of the no's, then I don't think it's what you need to be doing. If you're gonna be afraid of the naysayers and the negativity, then it's not what you are meant to be. It doesn't matter how many no's you get, how many rejections you get, how many times people tell you can't do it or whatever's, but you keep going. That, my friends, is who you truly are to be. That's what blesses you in this world. You guys enjoy what's in front of you every day. Believe it, see it, feel it, understand it. Guys, hope you have a blessed day today. Me and Red, come say hi, bud. Come say hi. Where are you? Where'd you go? There you are, buddy. Look at that smile. So no, the universe, God, the Bhagwan, the Allahs, what they give inside of us is that special gift. You know it. Don't stop, don't quit, don't give up. I'm here with you. Thanks for coming on this walk with me. Guys, be blessed. I'll see you when I see you. Bula.